Processed meat has been strongly linked to cancer, particularly colorectal cancer. The World Health Organization classifies it as a Group 1 carcinogen, meaning there is strong evidence that it causes cancer. This puts it in the same category as smoking and asbestos, not because it's equally dangerous, but because the link is well established. But what exactly is processed meat? It includes meats that have been preserved through smoking, curing, salting, or chemical additives. Examples are bacon, ham, sausages, hot dogs, pepperoni, salami, and even some deli meats. These products are convenient and flavorful, but they come with serious health risks. One of the biggest concerns is the presence of nitrates and nitrites. These are commonly added to processed meats to improve flavor, prevent bacteria growth, and give them their pink or red color. However, once inside the body, they can turn into nitrosamines, which are highly carcinogenic. Studies have shown that nitrosamines can damage cells and increase the risk of cancer, especially in the digestive system. Another problem is the way processed meat is cooked. High-temperature methods like frying, grilling, and barbecuing can produce harmful compounds called heterocyclic amines and polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons. These chemicals can damage DNA and increase the risk of cancer development. The longer and hotter the meat is cooked, the more of these dangerous compounds are formed. Research has consistently linked processed meat consumption to an increased risk of colorectal cancer. Some studies suggest that eating as little as 50 grams of processed meat per day, about the amount in a single hot dog or a few slices of bacon, can increase the risk of colorectal cancer by 18%. That may not sound like much, but over time the risk adds up. It's not just colorectal cancer. Some studies have also found links between processed meat and other types of cancer, including stomach, pancreatic, and even breast cancer. The preservatives, chemicals, and high cooking temperatures all contribute to this increased risk. So what can you do to reduce your risk? The most effective step is to cut down on processed meat as much as possible. Instead of bacon or sausages, try fresh poultry, fish, beans, or lentils. If you still want to eat processed meat occasionally, try to limit portions and avoid high-temperature cooking methods like grilling or frying. Switching to a diet rich in whole, unprocessed foods, fruits, vegetables, and fiber can also help counteract some of the damage and reduce the risk of cancer. Small changes in diet can make a big difference in long-term health.